Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley Trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on LXEH, because it is the leading gap today, as recording this, up about 120%. So what are going to be key support and resistances over on this stock? And I think the resistances are really more the key things, because obviously it's more of a gapping stock. So 314/308. Now this was hit already today, but we can kind of see what was the reaction off these levels. So this is where it halted, gap to that level, quickly broke through, and then instantly basically came back. You got that retest and a fail. So really right now that is a bit more of a bearish signal intraday, that it kind of retested that deviation and failed. But if we do break this and we did continue up, or what are further off resistances I would be paying attention to, we would have 390 to around 392. Again, these levels are very close, so I would just be using them as a zone of resistance, not individual levels. Now, if we break this, then again, this would be very extreme if we went to these kind of levels, but if we did, better to be prepared, and that would be around 475 to around 465. So that's what I'd be paying attention really to, the key to the upside. Now this roughly 308 to 314, I wouldn't use this as a resistance if we retouch it. I mean, by that I mean I wouldn't try and play that short buy. So the reason for that is we've already used it that level now intraday. So if I'm looking to trade off this level, I'm not playing a reversal play, I'm looking for a trend play, and that will be breaking above this level, coming back to test as a support, and if it can hold, then playing direction to around 390. Now onto the support side, what should we be paying attention to? And as of right now, actually, these are kind of resistances, but either way, these aren't levels I tend to trade off. They're just levels I tend to trade to. So around 340 to around 325. This is statistical mean over on the 6-month and the 1-year chart. Now, this is what I tend to trade to, because this is what is considered fair value. So if I'm playing a reversal play, this will be my absolute final target. So if I did short, this 308 to around 314 level, I would be out now, because it would have hit my target. And you can see kind of actually quite clearly, we pulled out of this level, instantly came back to this level. We got a bit of a bounce. Now it looks like we're breaking back through. We may be testing it as a resistance. And if again that can hold, then support, the next support is likely. And that in this case would be around 162 to around 140. And if we did break that, we would have a final level around 86 cents. Yes, we do have supports going lower, but really, this stock I don't think would be any point in really trading it if we come back down to a kind of 86 cents, because not only would that fill the gap, which was around the 96 mark, but again, then we're kind of trading back to where it was, so the volatility will most likely die, or at least slow down coming back into this level. So that will kind of be my final layer of support that I'd be paying attention to. Anyway, that is the breakdown over on LXEH. If you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.